Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mini sewing machine is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools for any crafter, DIY enthusiast, or even someone looking to do quick repairs on the go, offering a compact solution that doesn't compromise on functionality, making it an indispensable addition to your creative arsenal for tackling various sewing projects with ease and precision, regardless of your skill level. Number 5. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. Introducing the Brother XM2701, a lightweight sewing machine designed to make your projects a breeze. It offers a versatile range of stitches for all your creative needs. Explore 27 unique built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches. It even features an auto-size buttonhole for perfect results every time. Threading is made simple with the automatic needle threader that guides the thread effortlessly. Plus, the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth operation. This machine comes ready to go with 6 included sewing feet, needle sets, bobbins, and more. You'll have everything you need for a variety of sewing tasks. Its versatile free-arm design makes it ideal for everyday sewing projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, this machine is a great choice. We're here to help with Brothers at your side support. Enjoy free technical assistance via online, chat, or phone for the lifetime of your machine. What we like. This machine offers a wide variety of stitches for diverse projects. Its automatic needle threader simplifies setup, and the free arm is great for tricky areas. If you're a beginner looking for a versatile machine with helpful features, you should consider this one. What people say. This mini sewing machine is perfect for small projects and quick repairs. It's very lightweight and portable, making it easy to store and move around. The machine comes with a foot pedal for hands-free operation and a built-in light for better visibility. Number 4. TOOVREN Upgraded Magnetic Seam Guide. Experience the joy of effortless fabric edge folding. Its unique curling shape securely grips your fabric, making hemming projects easy and achieving flawless hems with precision every time. Installation is straightforward. Simply align the guide, secure it with the needle plate screws, insert your fabric, and start sewing to achieve professional-looking results. This attachment is perfect for all your sewing needs, whether you're a home sewer or a professional tailor. It's designed to fit most sewing machines with a hole in the needle plate. Choose from 8 different specifications, ranging from 3mm to 10mm, to meet your specific sewing needs. This gives you the flexibility to create impeccable hems that suit your unique style. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this sewing accessory offers good fixation and long-lasting performance. Enjoy clean, polished hems without the hassle of pre-folding or ironing. Elevate your sewing projects with a professional touch. This tool helps you achieve clean, polished hems effortlessly, saving you time and effort. What we like. This accessory provides a unique curling shape for effortless fabric edge folding. It comes with multiple sizes to meet various hemming needs. If you're looking to achieve flawless, professional-looking hems with ease, this is the attachment for you. What people say. The machine is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. It comes with a foot pedal for hands-free operation, which is convenient for sewing. The built-in light illuminates the sewing area, providing better visibility. Number 3. Mini Portable Sewing Machine for Beginners and Kids. Discover the joy of sewing with this user-friendly machine, perfect for beginners and kids alike. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for all your household projects. Choose between foot pedal or button control for easy operation. It offers dual power options, including battery power for sewing on the go, ensuring you can create wherever inspiration strikes. Get started quickly with helpful printed guides and an easy-to-scan QR code that leads to a tutorial video. This makes learning to sew a smooth and enjoyable experience. Explore 12 built-in stitch patterns, including decorative and curved stitches, to bring your creative ideas to life. Select your desired stitch with a simple dial turn. We prioritize your safety with clear instructions on power usage and operation. Please review the manual and video before use for a seamless and fun sewing journey. This thoughtful gift is perfect for teaching daughters and granddaughters the art of sewing. It's a wonderful way to foster creativity and build valuable skills. What we like. This machine is incredibly portable and easy to use, with dual power and control options. It's perfect for small projects and learning the basics. If you are a beginner, a child, or need a machine for occasional mending, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great little machine for small projects. It's easy to use and comes with a good selection of accessories. I love how compact and portable this sewing machine is. It's perfect for taking to classes or for small repairs around the house. The machine is surprisingly powerful for its size. It can handle multiple layers of fabric with ease. Number 2. CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine. Introducing the CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine, perfect for beginners of all ages. It's designed to make your first sewing experience simple and enjoyable. This comprehensive kit includes the machine, a variety of bobbins, needles, threads, and essential tools like a thimble and seam ripper. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Equipped with a built-in light, foot pedal, and adjustable speed, this machine is user-friendly. It also features a dual power option and an expandable table for added convenience. Its compact size makes it ideal for younger users and those new to sewing. It's a great first sewing machine that's easy to handle and operate. Create beautiful handmade projects with this portable sewing machine. It's perfect for crafting and bringing your creative ideas to life. The included illustrated book features 10 projects with clear instructions and patterns. It's perfect for beginners, teens, and adults looking to expand their sewing skills. What we like. This kit comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including threads, needles, and a project book. It's designed with beginners in mind, featuring an extension table for larger projects. If you want an all-in-one solution to start sewing immediately with plenty of guidance, this is the kit for you. What people say. It is a good machine for beginners and for small projects. The machine is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. It comes with a variety of accessories, including different presser feet and bobbins. Number 1. Miraculous Ladybug MARINETTE'S Mini Sewing Machine. Unleash your creativity and start sewing just like Marinette from Miraculous. This portable electric sewing machine is perfect for beginners and kids, making learning to sew fun and easy. Experience stronger stitches with its double thread design, eliminating the need for tying. You can also adjust the speed to match your comfort level, whether you prefer slow and steady or a bit faster. Safety is paramount. This machine features a finger guard and a protective needle cover. Plus, a built-in light helps you see clearly, even on dark fabrics or in dim lighting. Get started on your sewing adventures easily. You can power it with the included adapter or batteries, and choose to start it with a button or the convenient foot pedal. Personalize your sewing machine with included stickers featuring Ladybug, Marinette, and Cat Noir. Recreate the look from the show or add your own unique style. This comprehensive kit includes the machine, needles, bobbins, fabrics, a mannequin, mask cutouts, and more. You'll have everything you need for a complete sewing experience right out of the box. Enjoy a delightful and durable sewing journey with this officially licensed Miraculous Ladybug sewing machine from Winker. It's designed to meet high standards for quality assurance. What we like. This machine is inspired by a popular character and includes enhanced safety features like a finger guard. Its dual thread design makes sewing stronger and more efficient. If you're a fan of the Miraculous series or looking for a fun, safe, and easy-to-use machine for a child, this is an excellent option. What people say. The machine is compact and portable, making it easy to store and transport. It comes with a variety of accessories, including different presser feet and bobbins, which are useful for various sewing tasks. The machine is suitable for beginners due to its simple operation and straightforward controls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.